Ever wondered how you can make online payments securely without using a credit card or a bank account? If you've been looking for a simple, prepaid way to handle your digital transactions, then you've probably heard of Paysafe. It's a fantastic solution for everything from online gaming to shopping, and today, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to set up your very own Paysafe account. The first step is to head over to the official Paysafe website. You can just type Paysafe into your search bar or find the link in the description below. Once you're on the home page, look for the Sign Up or Register button, which is usually located in the top right corner. Clicking that button will take you to the registration form. You'll need to provide some basic personal details here, starting with your country of residence and your email address. It's important to use an email you have regular access to, as it will be used for verification and all future communications. Next, you'll be asked to create a strong password. This is crucial for your account's security. Try to use a combination of upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Once you've entered and confirmed your password, you'll need to agree to the terms and conditions. I know it's tempting to just check the box, but it's always a good idea to at least skim through them so you know what you're agreeing to. After submitting the form, Paysafe will send a verification email to the address you provided. Go to your email inbox and look for the message from Paysafe. If you don't see it in your primary inbox, be sure to check your spam or junk folder. Open the email and click on the verification link. This step confirms that you are the owner of the email address and is essential for activating your account. Once your email is verified, you'll be prompted to complete your profile with a few more details, like your full name, date of birth, and home address. This information is needed for security purposes and to comply with financial regulations. Rest assured, Paysafe is a reputable company and your data is protected. And that's it. You now have a fully registered Paysafe account. From here, you can manage your balance, check your transaction history, and most importantly, start using Paysafe to make online payments. You can top up your account using a variety of methods, including Paysafe cards, which are available at thousands of retail locations. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.